Procedure creation in PL SQL. Here we are going to start our discussion on procedure. Let's start our discussion with its definition. A procedure is a module that performs a specific task. Procedures are key building blocks of modular code. It allows us to both consolidate and reuse our program logic. As we discussed in the earlier lesson, RDBMS output.putLine is a stored procedure. Internally, a group of statements are written, so that whenever we use the above procedure, those statements are executed internally and the result is displayed. In procedures, we can't return any values to the called place, unless in a previous lesson. And now we will see the general format of a PL SQL procedure. In this general format, create procedure specifies the creation of a new procedure, or replace is used to overwrite the procedure which already exists. Procedure name specifies the name of the procedure to be created. It's a user-identified name given by us. It should not use any Oracle keywords. Parameters are used to pass the values to the procedure. We can give input values to a procedure in three modes. They are in, out, and in-out. In this mode, the values passed to the procedures act like a constant. That is, we can't change parameter values inside the procedure. It is the default. Out. In this mode, parameters can be returned from the procedure, but inside the procedure, the parameters work like an uninitialized variable. That is, we can't assign this value to another variable. And in-out. In this mode, we can pass and return values from the procedure. Local variable declaration. Here we can declare variables for that procedure. Begin. Here we can write the executable statements for the procedure. Exception. In this section, we can write the exception handling statements for this procedure. End. It specifies the end of a procedure. Every procedure must end with this key word. I hope you all understand the syntax for creating a procedure. Now let's see it practically. We are going to create a procedure called example to increase the EMP table. These are the statements. Here we have written a procedure named example. This procedure accepts an employee number as input, and it updates the salary for that employee. For this, we have written an update statement to update the salary column in the EMP by adding the value 100 to the actual salary. Let's execute these statements. Yes, we have successfully created a procedure. Now we are going to execute our procedure. We can call the procedure through an executive statement. Let's type in the SQL prompt like this: execute example 7369, and press enter to continue. Now we have executed our procedure successfully. This will change the salary of the employee Smith in the EMP table because we have now given his employee number as 7369, so this procedure updates his salary. We can see the changes made. We can select the roles from the EMP table to witness the changes. Like this, we can develop many types of procedures. Here we are going to see the syntax for dropping a procedure. See this syntax.